I'm at Bauman Farms today with Brian. And Brian, this has been a great week or month for you.
Yes, we've been doing this for 6 weeks. The Harvest Festival's been going on. Saturday is our last day of the festival. It's been fun, it's been exciting, it's been wet this year.
It's been very wet.
But that's okay, it's the Northwest, and I think all of us were happy to see some rain.
Yes, definitely, and so just come prepared.
Yeah, the parking lot's a little muddy, but my kids love it. They put on the boots, off they go, it's no problem, Dad.
Definitely, and really today's something special because it's Cider Festival today.
Cider Festival this year, we wanted to kind of go out with a bang, and we've invited 10 of our best friends who make ciders from all over the Northwest. They're coming here this Saturday, and they're going to be tasting throughout the day.
Wow, wow. And so you do have kiddie cider.
Yes, we've been making regular apple cider, and we have sparkling apple cider, something for the whole family. But the actual Cider Festival is 21 or over, and this year to kind of make everything COVID friendly, make everybody comfortable, there's only a certain amount of tickets available. So we have about 1,200 tickets available. All you need to do is go to baumansharvestfestival.com. There you can buy a ticket before you come out so you know you've got one.
Nice.
And then I think everybody feels a little more comfortable that way.
It does. And so make sure that you go online and get that. But you have to tell us about some of the new flavors that you have this year.
You know, our team is amazing. Christine and her crew and the cider they're doing some really cool stuff. And this year they kind of blew my mind.
This is amazing.
Blue is actually a very kind of appropriate word. So she's calling this butterflies and unicorns. And if you swirl it up a little bit, you'll notice there's actual food grade glitter inside this too. My sister wanted to call this Witch's Brew, but this will actually be available later throughout the month of November in store shelves. So Witch's Brew only kind of worked for this weekend. So butterflies and unicorns it is. And I'm excited. Would you like to try some?
Oh, well, sure, definitely.
All right.
Because going forward, it's the holiday season, so Bauman's doesn't stop just with the Harvest Festival. You're looking forward to the next holiday.
The farm will be open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5, just like always. The animals will be here, but the rest of the activities won't. So as part of your entry, everybody gets one of these nice Bauman cider glasses.
Nice.
And then you get 6 tickets to go around, try your different ciders. You can actually vote on which one is your favorite. And cheers.
Oh. I feel like a butterfly.
Yeah, it's kind of, she described it to me as like tangy lemon flavor, and that's exactly what I get.
It's nice.
Very festive, huh?
It is very festive, and it's always festive here. I mean, it's not just the festival time. I think it's any time it's festival here because you're set up for entertaining and decorating and really making our lives so much easier to have our guests at our homes.
Yes, and something to do with your family and friends. Like come out to the farm, hang out. We're excited to have you. It's been a fun Harvest Festival, and we're already starting to think about the next season.
Yeah. So really, you have to come out today for the last day of the Harvest Festival and for the Cider Festival. So go online and get your tickets, grab your friends and family, and come out and enjoy the last day and look forward to that next holiday. Brian, thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers again.
Cheers.